Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a client feedback form with eXp Realty detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a client feedback form with eXp Realty, begin by logging into your eXp Realty account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the Forms section. Click on the Create New Form button. Select the type of form you want to create from the available templates. For a client feedback form, choose a survey or feedback template. Customize the title of your form to reflect its purpose. Add a brief introduction explaining the importance of feedback. Include fields for basic client information, such as name and email address. Incorporate rating scales for key aspects of service, like communication and professionalism. Add open-ended questions to gather detailed comments. Ensure that questions are clear and concise to avoid confusion. Consider including a section for suggestions or areas for improvement. Once your form is complete, review it for any errors or omissions. Save your form to your eXp Realty account. To share the form with clients, copy the generated link. Send the form link to clients via email or your preferred communication method. Encourage clients to provide candid feedback to enhance your services. After collecting responses, analyze the feedback for valuable insights. Use the feedback to make necessary adjustments to your business approach. Regularly update your client feedback form based on changing needs. By following these steps, you will have created an effective client feedback form with eXp Realty. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.